I feel good, but I'm meaner when I nail it. So bow down, the child of calamity is coming.
Alright, here's the challenge. Split wood fire, 3 times the prep. Means you have to have 3 separate fires with knee-high flames. You have to gather all of the wood. You have to do the whole split wood fire, everything with a pocket knife.
Is his wallet leather? Is his wallet fat? For not a year later, it's got you lying on your back. You should have closed your windows and got another dog. You should have chained up all the doors and switched up all the locks. And how many times have I prayed? The angels would speed me away. Dream with the feathers of angels stuck beneath your head. The regulator swinging pendulum. Dream with the feathers of angels stuck beneath your head. The regulator swinging pendulum. Come with me, walk the longest mile.
See, I didn't even use the larger split down stuff. Okay, choose your wood wisely and don't break your pocket knife. Most of all, have fun. Thanks for watching.